become future stars. Chapter 13. The Sun, Moon and Stars. During the daytime, when we look up at the sky, we see bright sunlight. However, at night, we cannot see the sun. Instead, we see the white light of the moon and twinkling stars. The Sun. The Sun is a huge, very hot ball of fire that gives us with light and heat. It is made of hot gases. The Sun is the center of the solar system. All the 8 planets, including our planet, the Earth, revolve around the Sun. They move on a fixed path called orbit. The Sun and the 8 planets make up the solar system. Comets, meteors and asteroids are also a part of the solar system. The Sun is very huge in size. It looks so big because it is close to Earth. The Sun's light and heat make the Earth a living planet. The Earth and other planets do not have their own light. Brainy Bites. Pluto, which was earlier included in the solar system, is now called a dwarf planet. The Moon. The Moon gives us light at night. Do you know that the Moon does not have light of its own? It reflects the Sun's light which falls on it. The Moon revolves around the Earth. It is called the natural satellite of the Earth. It takes 27.3 days to complete one rotation on its axis and one revolution around the Earth. The Moon is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. Phases of the Moon. When the Moon goes around the Earth, different parts of it are lit up by the Sun on different days. We can only see the part that is lit up, so it looks as if the Moon changes its shape every day. Reflected light. When the Moon is between the Sun and the Earth, the side of the Moon facing us does not get sunlight. We cannot see the Moon at all because its dark side faces us. This is called the new moon. Slowly, day by day, we can see small portion of the Moon appear in the sky. These are the crescent moons. After 7 days, we can see half of the Moon. This is half moon. After 2 weeks, the Moon is on the opposite side of the Earth. The full side facing us gets sunlight. We can see the full moon. It takes the Moon nearly 28 days to go around the Earth. So, the number of days between one new moon and the next is 28 days. New moon, crescent moon, gibbous moon, half moon, full moon, half moon, gibbous moon, crescent moon. In fact, the Moon does not change its shape. It appears to change its shape because we do not always see the full bright sides of the Moon. Stars. At night, the sky is filled with numerous stars. They appear small to us, but in reality, they are very large. Many of them are bigger and brighter than the Sun, but due to very long distances, they appear small. Stars have light of their own. Our Sun is also a star. Constellation. Have you noticed that some stars appear in groups? In group of stars form recognizable shape called constellations. We can see a group of 7 stars called Saptarishi. In the north direction, we can see a bright star. This is the pole star or Dhruvtara. It appears to be stationary because it lies along the axis of rotation of the Earth. The position of this star helps in finding out the north direction. Some other constellations are Great Bear, Scorpion, Hunter and Leo. Saptarishi, Great Bear, Scorpion, Leo. Indian astronomers. Astronomers are people who study the Sun, the Moon, the stars and the planets. About 1500 years ago, there lived in our country an astronomer named Aryabhata. He studied and taught astronomy and mathematics. He was the first man to tell us that the Earth is round and that it rotates on its own axis. He also explained us that the moon does not have its own light and shines only when sunlight falls on it. Varamihira was another astronomer who lived during the times of Aryabhat. He was a scholar and wrote many books. Bhaskar was also an astronomer. He lived about 900 years ago. He discovered a method to calculate how planets move. Rapid review. The sun is the center of the solar system. The sun gives us light and heat. The different shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. Stars have light of their own. Some stars appear to be placed in groups having recognizable shape called constellations. Like, share, and subscribe.